Hey, welcome in this video, I'm going to attempt to create the angle latch. And it says that the dimensions are in millimeters and the material that we're going to use is brass. Brass monkey, that funky monkey. Come on, you know the words. Sing along. All right, I digress. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to do New. I'm going to Metric. Yeah, Metric. Metric, we're going to do standard millimeters. We're going to create this awesomeness here. I'm going to start my 2D sketch. Let's do it on this. Let's do it on this plane right. Yeah. I'm going to rotate this back 90 degrees. Let's go. All right, so then I'm going to start my sketch. I'm going to start the sketch out the top, kind of plane of this angle latch. I'm going to start with a line. We're going to start on this origin here. I'm going to go from here straight up 60. I'm going to go to the right. They don't tell us what that is. So I'm just going to go some distance, some crazy distance. I'm going to go down a little bit, back over, kind of go up this way. That looks kind of janky. Doesn't matter. I'm going straight over again. All right, so yeah, that looks totally weird, but I didn't do a good job on my sketch. I'm gonna start dimensioning what I know. So I know that's 60. I know this is 60 right here. This is 75. Wait, let me do this. This angle here is 45. We know that. Boom. I know this is 75. I actually got kind of close on that. Impressed. So then this is going to be a perpendicular constraint. So here and here, and then probably here and here, like so. They give us a dimension here, but that's kind of hard to read. I want to say that's 115 maybe. From here, 115. I'm going to go with 115. Yeah, so that should be it. So I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this. Let's go up by 30. Yeah, 30. 30 right here. Like that. Then what can we do? Then I'm just going to do my round. So the fillets, those are 10 millimeters. This back corner here, that one, this one up here, these two, that one, hit apply. So there's that. I'm gonna do the slot on top. So start 2D sketch on this face. I'm gonna spin it around, shwink. Spin it around again. No, not gonna do it. That works. I'm gonna do a slot here. So I'm gonna go under the rectangle and do a center to center slot. I'm just gonna click somewhere, eyeball in the middle and drag it down. I'm going to pull it out like this. That is going to be, what is that dimension there? That's 20 plus 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40. 40, so that's 40. Go with 40. Yeah. So then I need to dimension from the center here to the center there is 50. I'm going to right click here and go to check the aligned option. So then I'm going to put 50 here. Right there. I need to bring this back, so from here to this edge, that looks like 30. 30. And let's see, what else do I need? Yeah, so from the center to this edge, it says that's 37.50. 37.50. I'm going to make these parallel. So I'm going to make, where's my parallel here? So this parallel to that, that should be all I need. Oh, there's another one. Guessing that looks good. Okay, so then what else do I need to do? I think that's all for that. All right, so then I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude, cut that down by 5. Put 5 right here. Okay. And then I'm going to start another 2D sketch on this face here. I think what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to project geometry, this, and then I'm going to try to offset this inward by 10. That's 10. Like that. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to try to extrude, cut this all the way through. Like that. And then I just need to put a hole through that bad boy there. So I'm going to start my sketch right here. I'm going to draw a circle somewhere over here on this plane. And then I need to dimension it. So from this edge to the center, it says that's 30. And then from the center to the bottom of that is 15. And then the diameter of this circle is 15. Okay, and then I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm just going to extrude this. Extrude, cut it all the way through like that. Okay, there's our piece right there. I'll leave it like that. So then it says we're going to add brass material to it. So I'm going to come up here where you see generic, look for brass. I don't see, I see brass soft yellow. Let me check out the Autodesk material library and then look for brass. Here we go, brass, boom. Oh, look at that, it's nice and shiny. All right, so then I'm just gonna, I kind of like the way that looks right there. If I go to view, shadows, I'm gonna leave shadows off because it looks good like it is. And I'm just gonna save this file, save it as angle latch. There we go. All right, so that looks pretty good. Which looks like a bar of gold. You probably get that, turn it in, make a lot of money. Anyway, all right, so that's that one. And then we're gonna do the incline lift in the next video. So hope to see y'all back. Make sure you'll hit that like and subscribe button. All right, peace.